everybody.
Thank you all so much for coming today.
And I'm Terry.
Hi, Terry.
Hey, is that all I get? Is that a little high again? Yeah. All right, guys. Thank you for coming to see this magical waterfall. Beautiful property, beautiful lady, and just me, I guess. So we're gonna do a fire cider demonstration. Does anybody know what a fire cider is? No?
Yeah!
Oh, the guy in the back.
Oh yeah, turmeric and apple cider vinegar.
Uh-huh.
And rosemary.
Okay.
And garlic.
Okay. And a lot of other things.
Chopped up.
Yeah, fire cider isn't really a dictate of one recipe fits all. It's been translated so many times. Maybe 100 years, no one really knows though. So it's evolved over time. Really is a immune boosting, like anti-inflammatory tonic though. So we're going into winter, hopefully a little bit, and it's gonna be amazing for everybody's immune system. But I'm gonna do a little take on it Hawaiian style because we're on the Big Island, right? So let's put some Hawaiian medicine in this. So first off, what do we have here? Anybody guess what this is?
What is it?
Apple cider vinegar.
Urine. Noni. Oh, Hawaiian medicine canoe crop. Amazing. Smells like blue cheese and fart, but you know what? It's gonna make us feel so good though. So we're gonna start off with that.
Nice.
Anybody know what this is?
Turmeric.
Wrong. Actually, you're right, but we're calling this a lena. You know, because we're in Hawaii, they call it halena. So we're gonna chop this up real quick. And we're just gonna, we're playing right now, guys. I like to get like engagement with everybody because I don't want to just be doing it all by myself. That's lame. So I like all your energy up here. And this is, thank you guys. This is actually one of the most anti-inflammatory in the world. So if you have any aches and pains, put this in your diet. Trust me, it'll work.
How is it in Hawaiian?
Olena. Olena. Don't ask me about any other Hawaiian terms because that's all I got, guys. So sorry. I remember it as Olena. That's all I got. And you don't have to like make it too crazy. Like I just chop it up because it's gonna sit in the menstruum, which is the liquid, for usually at least you want it 30 days to really get it steeped down. But if you want to speed the process, you could blend it up. But you know, something about like slow and low. Really like be patient with your medicine, you know? Everything in life is meant to be fast, even though I'm talking really fast right now. Ironic, right? Okay, next we got garlic, everybody's favorite culinary herb. I mean, anybody like garlic?
Oh,
anybody?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, cool. Trying to wake you guys up a little bit. Like, you guys are asleep over here. Like, no, I really do like to get hype about this medicine right here because I am passionate about cooking. I'm passionate about making food, and I'm passionate about healing people. So when I start smelling garlic, I get stoked. I literally have seen how garlic and turmeric. Someone had a toothache and they didn't have money to go to the doctor. They drank this for like 4 days straight, and it was gone. They never went to the doctor at all. It like literally heals. No antibiotics, no nothing. This is actually nature's antibiotic right here, garlic. So that's why we're putting lots and lots of garlic. I don't like to peel it because you know what? We're gonna strain this off. I'm like I would say a lazy farmer. If it's not necessary, why do it? You know? So I just chop it up. I mean, like, ooh, you smell like garlic? Okay, that means you're not for me. Okay, cool. That's not just one, another bulb of garlic because, like I said, for my personal taste, you want this medicine to be individual for you, but you want it so strong that it's just barely too much for you. Because you're not supposed to take too much. You're not supposed to drink it like a gallon of this. You're supposed to take a little bit of this though. So that's the potency you want. If it's like you can drink it, it's too weak. So you really want to amp up that medicine in it. And that brings me to the next thing. We got, anybody know what this is?
Hawaiian chili.
Oh, see, you guys know a little something. Yeah, y'all know what's up. Okay, I like that. Hawaiian chilies. That's like, I really like to integrate the medicines here on the island because we live here. We have so much abundance, and literally like there's noni on the ground that people just don't use because they don't know really how to apply it. It smells, but what is it good for? We have medicine everywhere. Like ginger, wild ginger growing everywhere around here, you know, we can utilize. Let's go chop away. Chopping away. And right here, this one was grown here, but it's not a Hawaiian carp, but I like the color of it because it's gonna turn this whole mixture right here to purple. And purple medicine, I mean, that's just awesome to me. Like, because I believe that eat colorful food, you'll be colorful. So that's one of my things right there. I'll chop that up. Snap the sticker. And I'm leaving the peel on because that's going to add more to that color too, actually. And we are going to drain it off. Yeah. And people don't really know about this, but the colors in the foods are pigments, though. There are antioxidants. There's a lot of chemicals in this color. That's why you really do it. It sounds corny, but you really should eat colorful food. And the peppers right here. How many peppers? Ooh, I don't know. Who knows? And really just giving them kind of a bruising because they're dried, and they're when you kind of just crush them up a little bit, it makes it easier to release the capsaicin, something I can't remember though.
Capsium?
Capsium? Yeah.
Capsicum.
Yeah, there you go. Someone in there. See, everybody's paying attention. I like that. I like that I can learn a little bit from everybody else here because I don't want to be the guy teaching. That's just not me. I like how we can all integrate people's knowledge together and we all come out a little smarter, you know? Just saying. And a lemon just to give a little vitamin C. Why we need vitamin C?
Because it's the shit.
It's the shit.
Who said that?
Well, yeah, thank you for immunity, though. I mean, it's the shit, but yeah, immunity. Because we literally, this is going to be an amazing tonic for wintertime to keep your immunity high. And I literally drink a little bit of this every morning. And it really, if you ate some kind of gnar day before, it really helps that. You'll be like, oh, I gotta go to the bathroom right now. It starts to activate right away.
Well, it's getting full.
Oh, it's getting full.
Oh, beautiful. Yum. That noni.
Yeah. You know what? We might just add a little bit because this is just noni right here.
Is it?
That's just noni. Ooh, that lemon though. Yeah. We're gonna make a big, huge batch. This is just for display purposes only, right here. Display, because these are.
Oh, okay. You're putting it in there.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So
what you adding now?
This is a little apple cider vinegar just to start it marinating because I want you guys to taste this. So I wanted to kind of get it going just right now. And it's gonna get a little more powerful. Rosemary, good for a lot of antiviral, but I like it good for brain health, good for concentration. So like kind of really waking up all aspects of your body, you know, mental, spiritual, emotional, everything. She's like, can I get an amen from that? That was awesome. Right? So we just give that a little bruising because like I said, I don't want to chop it too fine because if you don't have a fine mesh strainer, some things will be left in there and then it's like, oh crap, I got particles in my fire cider. So that's why another thing, rough chop thing, is you can strain it off easier. Ooh, tough.
Nice.
This is so fun.
Yeah, I like it. Smells so good.
Yeah, right?
I do enjoy it.
Add a little bit more lemon on top. I do like to layer some of this sometimes.
That makes sense.
And some people say, well, why are you chopping the rind in there? Well, the rind has a lot of those essential oils in it too. Like that's majority of the medicine right there. So don't peel your citrus if you want to use it. It's medicine. So we're gonna pour a little of that in there. And I'm gonna leave a little air room there so I can kind of stir it. A little air movement in there. Thinking ahead. So I want everybody to
Shake it.
And you know what? Everybody's gonna get a chance to shake
this going?
So.
Honey too?
A little bit.
Oh, it's busy.
Yep.
Woo!
Oh yeah. That's delicious actually. And for the last and not least, we got a little bit of honey. And personally, I think this is the magic. I mean, it's all magic though, but like, if you add a lot of peppers, you can get by with a lot of more peppers if you add a sweetness to it. So sweet and spicy, it's not as intense though. You still got the power in there, but somehow it goes into your flavor buds a little bit easier when it's sweet with it though. So,
Where's the honey from?
where's the honey from, Sierra?
That is from right next door at good old Rebels Roost. Thank you guys. Just went on a serious mission for a bucket.
Serious mission for a bucket. You know, so much of this is like local, straight from the island. Like, wait, 99.9% of everything in here is from the island. And everybody can do this. You guys can do this when you go back to your farms, your homesteads, where you're at. Just look around. The medicine is right there. We just have to utilize what's right under our feet, guys.
Oh, I love you guys.
So we're gonna give it another shake. And just so I can like get everybody's energy in there, pass this around and shake it.